Surely you have heard of large livestock farms with thousands of giant pigs, right? But few people know that to get these pigs, farmers have to go through a rigorous process, from breeding, meticulous care, to processing them into consumer products. Today, we will explore an interesting story about the arduous but equally interesting work of raising and processing these giant pigs.
Farmers begin their day before dawn, diligently checking the barn, feeding the pigs, and ensuring they have access to clean water. This ritual is vital, not only for the health of the pigs but also for the overall well-being of the farm environment. In addition to these daily routines, farmers must expertly manage resources, focusing on efficient food sourcing and effective waste treatment. Employing techniques such as utilizing biogas derived from manure serves the dual purpose of conserving energy while enhancing environmental stewardship. Equally important is health monitoring, which encompasses not just vaccinations but also vigilant observation of pig behavior for any signs of illness. Farmers collaborate closely with veterinarians, ensuring prompt medical care to safeguard the health and vitality of the pigs. Transitioning to modern practices, the implementation of advanced technologies, such as automatic feeding systems and closed barn technology, can significantly enhance farm efficiency. These innovations foster optimal living conditions for pigs, contributing to their overall welfare and productivity. In this context, farmers emphasize biosecurity measures, including rigorous disinfection protocols and well-planned vaccination schedules. This commitment helps prevent disease outbreaks, safeguarding the health of their livestock and the integrity of their operations. Moreover, the innovative utilization of pig waste for producing organic fertilizer and biogas exemplifies a circular economy model. This approach not only minimizes environmental pollution but also provides an additional revenue stream for farmers, reinforcing their financial sustainability. Experiential tourism in farming represents a unique opportunity for visitors to engage with modern agricultural practices. This initiative raises awareness about clean food and sustainable agriculture, effectively bridging the gap between consumers and their food sources. In their commitment to quality, farmers apply scientific techniques in pig care, ensuring optimal growth and nutrition. This disciplined approach not only enhances the quality of meat produced but also ensures compliance with stringent food safety standards. Furthermore, the adoption of advanced preservation methods, such as quick freezing and deep processing, markedly improves product shelf life while retaining flavor integrity. This diversification of pork products adeptly responds to the evolving preferences of today's consumers. Biogas digesters have become integral to pork farming, effectively reducing pollution and generating reusable energy. This practice underscores the industry's dedication to environmental responsibility and sustainable production methods. Finally, the trend toward organic pork production is gaining traction, offering higher value products devoid of antibiotics. This shift caters specifically to health-conscious consumers, reflecting a growing demand for transparency and quality in food production. In summary, the modern farmer embodies a commitment to excellence, sustainability, and health, ensuring that the practices of today lay the foundation for a prosperous and responsible agricultural future. Selecting high-quality parent pigs, devoid of genetic diseases, stands as a cornerstone for successful breeding operations. This critical choice profoundly influences the overall health and fertility of the entire pig herd. Moreover, providing adequate nutrition and a clean, safe environment during the pivotal early days is vital. This foundational support nurtures piglets, fortifying their resistance and overall health with remarkable effectiveness. In addition, vigilant monitoring of piglet health through timely vaccinations and attentive care is essential. This proactive strategy not only prevents diseases but also guarantees that piglets thrive and grow robustly post-weaning. Furthermore, adjusting the nutritional regimen for pigs raised for meat is crucial, ensuring they gain weight rapidly while meeting market standards. High-protein and energy-rich foods play an indispensable role in this process. Equally important, maintaining stringent barn hygiene and conducting regular health checks are vital for effective disease control. Adhering to vaccination and deworming schedules is paramount to ward off potential health issues. In the realm of commerce, closely monitoring market prices and devising a strategic selling plan can significantly enhance profit margins for farmers. Timing sales in accordance with market fluctuations is critical for achieving financial success. Furthermore, leveraging technology, such as automatic breeding systems and health monitoring sensors, can dramatically boost farm efficiency and elevate product quality. Remaining attuned to market trends is essential for the modern farmer. Implementing waste treatment systems, including biogas digesters, serves to mitigate pollution while transforming waste into valuable resources like organic fertilizers. This approach underpins sustainable farming practices and environmental stewardship. Moreover, engaging in training and seeking support from agricultural organizations can significantly enhance a farmer's knowledge and skills in sustainable practices. Building a strong brand can further expand market reach and visibility. Farmers also have the opportunity to diversify their product offerings by venturing into packaged meat products, which not only amplifies economic value but also optimizes farm resources in a highly effective manner. Utilizing modern farming techniques, including smart management strategies, equips farmers to sustain a profitable pig farming system while enhancing income and productivity significantly. Finally, participating in cooperatives enables farmers to negotiate better prices for supplies while fostering a sustainable ecosystem that mutually benefits all participants within the livestock farming community. Farmers meticulously select suitable pig breeds and uphold clean environments, ensuring the pigs thrive in health and reach the necessary weight standards for processing. This meticulous attention is essential, as it directly influences the overall quality of the meat produced. In the realm of slaughtering and processing, modern technology emerges as a cornerstone, meticulously preserving the freshness of meat while guaranteeing hygienic conditions throughout the entire supply chain. Such advancements are non-negotiable for maintaining industry standards. Moreover, the pig farming industry stands as a vital pillar for economic development and environmental protection. By effectively managing waste and leveraging advanced technologies, farmers enhance both efficiency and sustainability, reinforcing their role in societal progress. As consumer demand for organic pork products surges, farms increasingly embrace clean farming models that prioritize animal welfare alongside product quality. This essential shift not only meets consumer expectations but also aligns with the evolving principles of modern agriculture. However, the industry grapples with significant challenges, including dangerous epidemics and fluctuating pork prices, both of which profoundly affect farming operations. As such, strict disease control measures and stable pricing strategies become paramount for ensuring long-term sustainability. In response to these challenges, the adoption of closed-chain farming models has emerged as a strategic approach. This method aids in controlling costs and stabilizing prices in pig farming, while simultaneously addressing the threat posed by competition from alternative protein sources, a crucial endeavor for maintaining market share. Furthermore, increasing productivity and enhancing meat quality are indispensable for complying with international standards. Embracing modern technologies not only bolsters operational efficiency but also positions the industry to thrive in competitive global markets. In addition, the implementation of smart livestock technologies such as artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things significantly revolutionizes animal health management. These cutting-edge innovations optimize diets and mitigate disease risks within herds, fostering a healthier livestock population. Equally important, sustainable practices and adherence to food safety regulations have become fundamental for the industry's future. The integration of circular farming models minimizes environmental impacts while maximizing resource utilization, thus paving the way for a resilient agricultural landscape. Effective coordination between governmental bodies and farmers is critical in formulating policies that bolster capital investment and technological advancements within the industry. Such collaboration fosters a supportive environment for innovation and sustainable growth. As consumer preferences shift increasingly toward organic and clean food options, the pork processing industry is compelled to adapt and innovate. Developing new farming models that align with these evolving standards is essential for remaining relevant in a dynamic market. Lastly, e-commerce is revolutionizing the distribution landscape of pork products, empowering businesses to connect directly with consumers through online sales channels. This transformation enhances convenience and accessibility, reshaping the way pork is marketed and sold.
Ultimately, the process of raising and processing thousands of giant pigs is not only hard work, but also requires patience and expertise. Farmers work tirelessly to care for the pigs from infancy to adulthood, ensuring that they grow healthy and achieve the best quality. This not only contributes to providing food for the community, but also creates an important industry for the economy. If you feel the above information is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more interesting videos about agriculture and farmer life. Please share this video with friends and family to better understand the difficult but also proud work of farmers.